The Shasta County Office of Education Youth Support Services Department oversees a comprehensive program to address the diverse needs of our homeless students and families. We provide generalized support through professional development and specialized assistance for individual districts as well as community partners. This includes facilitating regular district liaison meetings, organizing countywide trainings, distributing essential resources, and managing data collection. Our active participation in community boards and committees, such as the NorCal Continuum of Care and the Homeless Youth Alliance, supports the broader efforts to address homelessness while advocating for the educational needs of homeless youth and families in Shasta County. Our active participation in community boards and committees, such as the NorCal Continuum of Care and the Homeless Youth Alliance, supports the broader efforts to address homelessness while advocating for the educational needs of homeless youth and families in Shasta County. We also foster partnerships with community organizations such as Dignity Health Food Bank, where we've set up 42 individual school-based food pantries to address the food insecurity for our youth and families in Shasta County.
Maybe a year and a half ago, Austin Preller from SCOE and I were at a meeting together, and we happened to connect and talk a little bit about opportunities to work together with schools. And so that led into a program where now the Shasta Community, the food bank is actually able to help supply food that is in schools or that is used as kind of a warm entry point to talk with families that are experiencing homelessness or food insecurity or many other things, allowing us to have a discussion with them about further services that we can do to help them learn. When kids are hungry, they don't learn as well, they don't study as much, they're hungry, they're focused on other things that are life important things as well. And so we love being able to help kind of bridge that gap. Partnering with SCOE has been a great opportunity for us to kind of make an impact into that. We did a study countywide a couple of years ago that showed our county has about a 20% food insecurity rate, which basically means that family, that person that is food insecure does not know where their next meal is coming from. So that's pretty huge. And we have a real commitment with our partners, including SCOE, to figure out how to put a dent in that and make that a lot lower. The teachers, the administration, they know their students, they know the families, or they want to get to know the families. And so this is a great opportunity for us to kind of push that food right to where it's needed.
So I help to offer a food pantry on site for our kids if they are struggling with food in their home or any sort of food insecurities. We're able to discreetly give them food.
No, our community connector has been amazing, working with families and housing and food and clothing, and the food pantry has just been amazing. So our students, oftentimes the only meals they get at school are breakfast and lunch. So to be able to provide them food at different times to take home with them has really been a good thing for our students and our school.